Jeremiah chapter 17 verse 9. The heart is deceitful above all things.
If you don't delight, it means your heart will deceive you.
kusho ukuthi ungahlali kuyinhliziyo yakho izokukhohlisa vele.
Ake ukuthi uSathane ulahlwe yini? Ngoba ihlalanga kuNkulunkulu. Your own heart yenzani? Yakudeceive.
Iyakhohlisa.
You follow deception.
Ulandela
Repeat.
inkohliso.
The heart is deceitful above all things.
Above all things.
Ngaphezu kwakho konke.
And it is exceedingly perverse.
Yeah, even man. It's extremely perverse.
Futhi yimbi kakhulu.
And it is exceedingly perverse and corrupt.
Yini desire? Akusi desire. It means apart from the heart delighting kuNkulunkulu, it corrupt, it perverse, yimbi. Ngoba ihlalanga kuNkulunkulu. Anything oyikhalelayo uNkulunkulu uthi yimbi muslela. Angikhaleli imoto uNkulunkulu uthi yimbi. Ngikhaleli business uthi yimbi. Hayi ngifuna ukuthola umsebenzi athi ukhohlakele. Why? The heart
Ngoba
is
inhliziyo
far,
ikude.
but the lips are
Kodwa izindebe
close.
ziseduze.
There's no delighting
Akunakuhlala
in the Lord.
enkosini.
Now wenzani? Why nangithandaza mina into uNkulunkulu akangiphenduli? Why ngathi ubona abanye kuphela mina akangiboni? The issue is the heart.
Inhliziyo.
The issue is the heart. uNkulunkulu akalaphendula umuntu operverse.
Phendula umuntu omubi, khohlakele.
Phinda.
The heart is deceitful above all things, and it is exceedingly perverse and corrupt
And corrupt.
and severely mortally sick.
Yakula. Ikuliswa yini? Yakhalela. Demo ikhalela iyalimala inhliziyo ngoba izitholi lezinto. Demo ikhalela iyalimala egcineni iyakhula. Nase ikhula it means it didn't delight in the Lord. Now wenzani manje? Why mina into zami zingayenzeki? Uyakhula. Uyaqala uyabalabala. Why mina ngathi uNkulunkulu akangizwi? Uyakhula. You are sick.
Yakudla.
Because you did not delight in the Lord.
Ngoba zange uhlale
If you delight, He will give you your heart's desires.
lokufiswa inhliziyo yakho.
The Holy Spirit will never resist you.
Umoya engcwele ngeke uzukwane.
Mawuthi ngikhalela noNkulunkulu uthi ngikhalela ukukunika. Ngikhalela ice cream adanga ngizokuthumela umuntu akuthengela ice cream manje. Meaning anyone azokhuluma naye because of your heart they must do it.
Fanele akwenze.
Because uNkulunkulu uthintekile. They can't even resist uNkulunkulu athi hey awuhambe manje ya lapha kuNathaneni ngifuna umthengela amateki. Akhuluma nomunye umuntu. Ngoba uNathaneli uthini ngikhalela iteki yazi. uNkulunkulu athi ungawala ngizothinta umuntu. Manje uyofaka iCV abakuzweli nokuzwela bakubheka so nophuma athi enyanyisa lo yonke nesithunzi esimbi yonke. Why you came with a perverse heart?
Ngoba uze
You
nenhliziyo.
came with a sick heart.
Uze nenhliziyo egulayo.
You came with a heart that carries anger.
Uze nenhliziyo egcwele intukuthelo.
Such a heart cannot delight in the Lord.
Inhliziyo enjalo ayikwazi ukuhlala.
To delight in Him is to be pure in heart.
Ukuthi ube
The more you delight, is the more you become pure. It's the more the stony heart gets to be removed. And God gives you a heart of a flesh with a new spirit. A new spirit confirms with the Spirit of God.
Velana nomoya kaNkulunkulu.
If I say I want this, God says, I'm giving you my son.
uNkulunkulu uthi ngiyakunikeza ndodana.
Akathi hayi wo. Ngifuna lokho athi ngiyakunika manje. No delay.
Ayichitha isikhathi.
Phela wena nangukunika amazulu ayanyakaza. Mara lona ngamnika kuyokhala abantu emhlabeni. Yonyakaza ini abantu mara amazulu anganyakaza. Repeat it. You see you are not aware. Hayi inhliziyo yami mina. Yabona if you did not reach a state where you see your heart.
Lapho ubona inhliziyo yakho khona.
Usesomzalana okude. Mele ufike to a level where you see if your heart is responsive to God.
Ukuthi iyavumelana noNkulunkulu na.
Because ungakhonza uNkulunkulu with a heart that is not responsive to God.
Engaphenduli uNkulunkulu na.
You get it? If the heart is responsive to God, it means the heart knows how to delight in God.
Shuthi iyakwazi ukuhlala noNkulunkulu.
Iyakhona ukuvumelana noNkulunkulu. noma uthi uhalela ikari uNkulunkulu athi hayi ikari manje athi ngikunike lokho ayikwati ayibi neoffense ithi nginike leyo uthi ngifuna umsebenzi athi hayi umsebenzi manje athi ngiqhale la awukwati. Why? You are delighting. You know the plans that he has for you. My plans are not to harm you but prosper you. Even when I say no, it's prosperity.
Hey, saseyimpumelelo.
Because I don't want you to be harmed.
Ngoba ngifuna ulimali.
Now, if the heart is sick,
Inhliziyo igula.
who's a disappointment?
Eish.
Abakubizi ku interview. So uyagula ekseni ulele imini yonke. Inhliziyo yezani? Umoya wami uphansi yazi. Baba bizile laba mina bakangibizi. The heart is sick.
Inhliziyo iyagula.
But if you delight
Kodwa ke mawuhlala
in the Lord,
enkosini.
even a no from God,
No cha.
you know I'm being
Uyazi.
saved from harm.
Uthi ngiyasindiswa ekulimaleni.
Even when God refuses, you know, He's saving me from harm.
Yeah,
Meaning my heart is still perverse.
inhliziyo yami kusho ukuthi ayiseseyimbi.
Ayikalungi.
Yeah.
So let me continue to do what? To delight.
Lokho ngihlalisa.
Delight. The more I delight, purity of heart. Until I reach a state where manghalela noNkulunkulu uyakhalela. Until ngifika in level yokuthi nangikhalela noNkulunkulu wenzani uyakhalela. Cabanga uNkulunkulu athi ngikhalela ukubusisa namuhla. Ungakathandazi. Athi ngikhalela ukubusisa namuhla. Awukhalela ukubusisa. Uthi mara mina Nkosi njani manje? Athi angikhalela ukubusisa. Yalibona lephupho. Anyakunika lento iphuphile. Now, when you wake up with him, I had a dream.
Uthi ngibe nephupho.
I had a dream. God desired to bless you without you desiring.
Ngaphandle kokuthi
God said, I'm blessing the person
ngiyambusisa
because they are delighting in
ngoba
me.
bahleli kimi.
Ngiyamnika. Ngizihlobesela igarden yami. Ngizihlobesela i-Eden yami. You are my delight. You are my Eden.
Wena indawo
I must plant every tree. I must plant.
Ngitshale
I must
konke.
make you beautiful.
Fanele ngikwenze ube muhle. Hey man.
Lapha ukhala ukuthi some people reach a level where you are able to see your heart.
Lapho ukwazi ukuyibona inhliziyo.
Yabona ungabona inhliziyo yakho uhambile empilweni. Mawungabona lento leyo uhambile empilweni. But a lot of people abayiboni le. Ubona into eyi-one ngenhliziyo yakho, mina nginenhliziyo yini. Ngiyazazi mina ngiqoleni kuphela. Umile lapho. Uyichintsha nini? Ngoba uyayazi ayiqoleli, uyichintsha nini ukuthi uyazi ukuthi iyaxolela? Ngiyazi mina ngine short temper, uyichintsha nini ukuthi ibe ne perseverance ne endurance?
Ubekezela nokubambelela.
Read.
The heart is
Most people, they think God does not want to answer their prayers.
Bacabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu akafuna
Yet
ukuphendula.
uNkulunkulu umntwana wakhe uyamphendula anytime. The issue is the believer's heart.
Inkinga inhliziyo.
Inhliziyo zabazalwane zimpi.
Yeah.
Inhliziyo zabazalwane zikude noNkulunkulu. Mara ngemilomo asiseduze strong. Siseduze strong noNkulunkulu. Yabona la asiyamthanda nje. But the heart perverse.
Yonakele.
And uNkulunkulu wenzani? He examines the heart.
Ubheka inhliziyo.
Akabheka umsindisi uyenza ngomlomo, uyobheka inhliziyo yethu. And now it means your heart can delay you
Kusho ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe ingakubambezela.
from eating or being fed from God's faithfulness.
Noma ekudleni noma ukondliwa uNkulunkulu.
Your heart can delay you.
Inhliziyo
Meaning,
ingakubambezela.
dali prayer yakhe richile kuNkulunkulu. But what will cause God to step?
Yini ezoyenza ukuthi
He's
uNkulunkulu
waiting for the stony heart to move.
ukulindele nje inhliziyo yetshe ukuthi
The moment lelitshe lithi uNkulunkulu was bheka. Ngonyaka osongakuphendula, mara inhliziyo yakho bengimisile. Dala ngakuphendula wena. But your heart bengimisile. Now uzobona ukuthi isitha sakho bekungasusathane, bekungasibathakathi bekuyinhliziyo. Your warfare is your heart.
impi yakho inhliziyo yakho.
Let's go.
the heart is deceitful above all things, and it is exceedingly perverse and corrupt and severely mortally sick.
Mortally sick.
Kulela ukufa.
Yakula, mortally sick.
igulela ukufa.
Who can know it?
Ubani ongayazi? Yakula, it's ubani ongayazi ukuthi yakula. Imagine somebody coming to you, I love you, with a sick heart.
Ayakutshela ukuthi yakuthanda.
The heart is sick.
Inhliziyo yona
Kola amagqubu yeminyaka neminyaka. Minyaka neminyaka abantu bebamhetha. Maruti ngiyakuthanda. With a sick heart.
inhliziyo egulayo.
Now, what are you going to receive there?
Yini oyamkela la?
You're not going to receive
Ngeke wamkele
a person that will delight in you
umuntu ozohlala kuwe
because their heart is sick.
ngoba vele inhliziyo yakho
They are not permanent.
abahlala ngiphakathi labo.
If you want to know that the person's heart is sick,
Uma ufuna ukwazi ukuthi lo inhliziyo
check
yomuntu
them.
yakho
How do they delight? How do they
ibheka ukuthi bahlala
abide
kanjani, ukuthi bahlala kanjani
in everything they do?
kuwo konke abakwenzayo bazinikela kanjani.
Because a sick heart, ayikhona ukubekezelela pressure. Ngoba ivula ini amanxeba ngishilo imele. Intonyane encane noma incane ithi yableed. Awulimazile. But if you can use the Holy Spirit to search the heart, uzobona ukuthi awumlimazanga nimulimazile. Nimulimazile.
Ayibaningi.
Bonke nabomalume nabo auntie bakhona lapho. Abamlimaza. With a sick heart.
Inhliziyo egulayo.
Let's go.
Who can know it, perceive, understand?
Uba yabona lithi ubani ongayi understand. Umuntu onhliziyo egula aka understand, i-character yakhe akuyi understand. Uhlangahlangene. Akakhona awukhona ukum-understand, wena ujabulile, or wenze njani. Namuhla ngathi uset, uyini namuhla? Wenza ama-joke. Uyagula. Uyavuka ekuseni akajabulanga. Uyagula. Sick heart.
Inhliziyo egulayo.
It cannot delight.
Ayikwazi ukuhlala.
Even when it says I love you, there's no delighting.
Vela ukuhlala.
If you say I love you,
Mawuthi ngiyakuthanda.
Jesus or
Jesu,
God,
noma
you must be
uNkulunkulu.
able to delight.
Fanele ukwazi ukuhlala.
Ohlalayo ngulo othandayo into. Ongakhona ukuhlala entweni akayithandi lento angahlali kuyo. To delight is to remain.
Ukuhlala ukuthi uhlalisise.